Hi everyone, my name is Ben Piper and welcome to my course, Cisco Enterprise Networks, VLANs and Trunking. I'm the author of the CCNP Enterprise Certification Study Guide, Exam 350-401. In this course, you'll learn the fundamental concepts and skills you'll need to configure and troubleshoot VLANs and VLAN trunks. In this course, you'll get hands-on experience learning about normal and voice VLANs, VLAN security, private VLANs, dynamic and unconditional VLAN trunks, and the VLAN trunking protocol, or VTP. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid grasp of VLAN and trunking fundamentals, and you'll be ready to move on to more advanced Layer 2 topics. Before beginning the course, you should have CCNA level skills. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into advanced Layer 2 courses on spanning tree and ether channels. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about VLANs and VLAN trunking with the Cisco Enterprise Networks VLANs and Trunking course at Pluralsight.